Welcome to the Kali Linux Nexus coursework. I am Rishikesh Vayakar and I will be the instructor for this coursework. Now, why Nexus? Nexus is basically connecting all the dots. That means in cybersecurity, Kali Linux is used in every field, whether it is malware analysis, pen testing, vulnerability analysis, digital forensics, cryptography, everywhere Kali Linux is being used. Now we are going to see about the Kali Linux use cases and purpose of the Kali Linux can be seen. Then we will be seeing about certain Debian, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Fedora, Linuxes, and many more Linuxes, which will be giving you the history of it as well as it will be telling you why they are being used. What is that purpose for it? For example, if I'm using Ubuntu, it is being used for AWS cloud. It is used as a server. So like this, we will be studying about the history of the Linuxes. Then we will be seeing about the installation of Kali Linux. We'll be seeing about the basic shell commands. We'll be seeing about the file directory commands. We will also be seeing about the basic and advanced commands of the files, how the text editors are being used in Kali Linuxes, how a group is being created and a user is being added in Kali Linux, whether the user is having the sudo permissions or not, that we can modify. We can also see about the file permission commands where we will be studying each and every command with read, write and execute permissions. Also, we will be processing all the foreground processes or let's say background processes. We will be managing all the processes. We will be trying to learn about the management of the package, how it has been installed, or let's say it has been uninstalled as well. We can upgrade and downgrade the package as well. We can manage the internal and external drives. We can see the file system hierarchy of the Linuxes, also the kernel and boot processes. Also, we are going to see about the system log managements as well as the network configuration files. We are also going to do the troubleshooting of the Kali Linux. So I hope you like this coursework.